Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, Andy's at it again. I'm pretty sure he's hitting us with the last release of 2025. You never know though. Andy's a tricky one. But yes, we have yet another release of probably what is my favorite, or close to my favorite. It's between this one and the Farmhand. But we have another, Beaver Creek Barlow. This is the red barn-born jigged bone version. And from all the pictures I've seen, it's a beauty. Now, this just came in. They actually released yesterday. Didn't quite have it to do a release day video, but that's okay, because we're going to get to look at it just the same. So, open this baby up. Oh my goodness. The pictures have been awesome. I cannot wait to get my eyes on this one. I mean, red bone. Come on, guys. Oh, would you look at that? Oh my goodness. I love that. Now with that jigging, as always, we're going to look at that with that jigging. The pins have the potential of being a little bit, which they are tiny bit, but not bad. They have the potential of being raised. Let's check out that back spring. Looking good. Oh my goodness. This is definitely a beauty. Like I said, the Beaver Creek Barlow, I love the Farmhand knife is awesome. The Beaver Creek Barlow was by far my absolute favorite until that Farmhand come out, and now they're like bouncing back and forth. But I do love this version. I love this pattern on the bone. Absolutely. Let's do this. Ooh, nice pull. It's probably, I'm gonna go pretty close to a 6. Nice snap. Definitely a nice snap. Open. Kicks into that half stop. Oh yeah, the walk and talk is fantastic. Of course, we're going to get rid of the sticker real quick. There you go. That's how you know. That's how you know, guys, because the sticker is the first thing to go pretty much. So this is an absolutely gorgeous knife. Very, very cool. Love it. Now, like I said, it's a Beaver Creek Barlow. So, I mean, it's, just as a reminder, we're looking at it's pretty close. Yeah, right about 6 1/4. 3 1/2 on the handle. 2 3/4-ish on the blade. Cutting edge coming in at right about 2 1/2. Got the nice choil there. Now, you know what I didn't do? I didn't grab the rest of them. I think we need kind of like a family photo, don't we? You know what? I will do that at the end. 3 ounces. Now, as always, guys, now these are coming in at $57.99. Let me say that first. As always, guys, you can go pick these up at RoseCraft. Use code BigRedEDC, save 10%. You can also go to Traditiaonal Pocket Knives and pick these up. Code BigRed10 will get you 10% off there. As far as I know, Austin at Traditiaonal Pocket Knives is the only one that has an RCB discount code because he's a preferred dealer. I could be wrong, but last I knew, that was the only 2 places that you could use codes and save the 10%. So either way, RoseCraft, use BigRedEDC, or go to TPK, use BigRed10, and you can save 10% off. So what? You get it for just over $50. Beautiful knife. Absolutely. But I tell you what, I'm going to pause this real quick, guys. We need a Beaver Creek Barlow family photo. So hang on 1 second. All right. There we go. I know for you guys it was a second. It was a little bit more than a second. Should have done that beforehand. But there you go, guys. There is the Beaver Creek Barlow family portrait, if you would like. Of course, you had the original bourbon bone there at the top. It also came in the Bora Bora blue, smoky gray, stag, and now, of course, you've got the red barn board jigged pattern. All the rest of them, well, were smooth, except for the stag, of course. But one more time. Oh, my goodness. That is, I don't know. This might be my favorite. I mean, the bourbon bone, the OG, is awesome. But come on. You guys know me. You know how much I love red. The red bone. This one just might take the cake. Pardon me. Now, I know Andy had kind of teased about a factory video, you know, showing how their knives are made. Well, they have one. They have one on their YouTube channel. And I tell you what, if you're interested in check it out, I will link that down below in the comments as well. So you guys can go check that out if you would like to. But very cool. The Beaver Creek Barlow. Again, it's right there at the top. Oh, I think it's the day of the week, honestly, as to which one I like more. The farmhand I love. I absolutely love the Beaver Creek Barlow as well. So, there you go, guys. Another outstanding release from RoseCraft Blades. Like I said, guys, don't forget, if you go to RoseCraft Blades, use code BigRedEDC, you can save 10%. Or go to Traditiaonal Pocket Knives. You can also use code BigRed10 there and save 10%. Thank you so much, Andy, for sending this one out. Greatly, greatly appreciate it. As always, guys, I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.